Hello everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to explain one most important topic in string class. So what that important topic guys? So important constructor of string class. So what all important constructor we have in our string class, that thing I will going to discuss in this video guys. Now also guys, I hope what I have uploaded the video till now about string class might be you have seen all the video, and the guys who didn't watch till now all the previous video, so I would request, so go first see all the previous video, then you will come this video guys, then you will come to know what very easily, otherwise you may confuse. So guys, what is topic for today? What all important constructor in string class we have, right? So guys, we know very well, right, what is constructor, right? What is constructor, right? So I already explained in earlier video, right, in one of the series, right, of constructor, right, I've explained what. So constructor is a special type of method, right? What guy? Constructor is a special type of method which name is same as class name. Yes or no? So in simple term, okay, very basically what we can understand. So constructor is a special type of method, okay, which name is same as class name, and it will not return anything. Correct guy? That thing first we need to understand. Then guy, we'll understand first what all those important constructor we have in our string class, right? Then one by one I will explain with code base as well. I will run the application in front of you. We'll see how all the important constructor generally we are going to use in our application. Okay, so our topic is what? Important constructor class. That is our today complete discussion. Right? Important constructor in string class. Correct? Yes. So I will explain one by one. So already I mentioned you what is constructor, right? Constructor is a special type of method which name is same as class name. Correct? So let's see, just like suppose public string, suppose this is our class name, right? Public string. Inside this class we will have what? Multiple method, constructor, right? So what I mentioned, so it is a special type of method, yes or no? And it same like as the class name. See, the class name is a string, the constructor name also a string only. Correct? Yes. Just like public string, this is constructor, right? So a string no, you can see this is our class name. Okay, this is a special type of method which name is same like what? Class name. Okay, this is our constructor. Right? So what all those important constructors we have in Java, that thing I am going to explain. So guys, this is the first constructor. This is a one type of constructor, okay, which has no argument. You can see which has no argument, right? That means zero parameter constructor, right? Zero parameter constructor, or also you can say no argument constructor, right? Yes or no, right? Yes. So guys, this is our first constructor, right? Then guys, what is second constructor? What is second constructor? Public, public string, public string. And guys, in this constructor, what we can pass a string literal. What we can pass? A string literal, guys. So a string literal. Okay. String literal. So this is also one type of constructor only. Okay. This is first constructor. This is second constructor. Right? Yes. Guys, see. Then we will have third constructor, guys. So what that constructor, guys? So guys, that constructor is what? You know, public string, and that constructor, guy, expect a string buffer class, a string buffer SB. Okay, a string buffer SB. Okay, this is also one type of what constructor which is most important in our application. Okay, guys. Then guys, we will have fourth constructor, same like what third one, only the name will change, guys. What that is a string builder. We can pass argument as a what a string builder. Okay, that is our fourth important constructor. Correct? Yes. Guys, then we will have one constructor which expect what character array. What character array. So we'll copy and paste here, and guys, this time this is the fifth constructor, and this expect what character array, char array. Okay, char array ch. Right? This is our fifth important constructor in our string class. Okay. Then guys, we have one other constructor, that is guys byte array, guys. What byte array? Byte array what? So guys, these six most important constructors we have in our string class, which is generally used in many places. Correct, guys? So guys, all the constructors I will explain one by one in our IDE. So don't confuse. So as of now, I have explained what all the method we have, right? All the important method we have in our string class. Okay? This is guys first constructor, that is what zero argument constructor, no parameter constructor. Okay? So guys, see, now you take some special care, guys. Now you take some special care, guys, here. So guys, see first construct public string, right? So guys, this constructor, right, you know very well what it does, guys. What it does. You can see, guys. Suppose if you are going to create one string object, right? String what? S equals to new string, right? New string. So guys, you can see In this constructor, we are not passing any literals, right? No any argument, right? Okay, that's why it is called what? Zero parameter constructor, no argument constructor. Guy, you know one thing. So this constructor create an empty string object. What guy? This constructor will create empty string object in heap area. Why guy? Because we are going to create with the help of new keyword. So if we are going to create the string object with the help of new keyword, definitely this object will create in our heap area. Okay, for your understanding purpose, I can write here what. So this will create, what? An empty string object, right? In heap area. Guys, that thing you need to understand. This is important what point what you keep in mind, guys. Okay? Yes or no, guys? This will create an what? Will create an empty string object in heap area. Right, guys? Yes. Guys, this is the first constructor, right? This is the first constructor, right? This is first constructor. Okay. Then guys, this is second constructor, right? This is second constructor. What guys this second constructor does? So you know very well, right? So if string s equal to, please be concerned, it's very important. So string s equal to new string, and in that we are going to pass what? String literal, right? String literal if we are going to pass, right? So string literal if we are going to pass here, right? So guys, you know what it does. If you are going to pass string literal in the argument, what it does, guys? Guys, please concentrate here. Okay. So guys, do you know for given a string, for given a string literal, it is create equivalent object in heap area, guys. What it does? So for given a string, what guys? For given a string, for given a string, it will create equivalent valent object. For given a string, it will create what? Equivalent object in heap area, guys. What? It will create equivalent object in heap area. Correct? So that is our second constructor. Correct? Okay. Now we have third constructor, right? This is our third constructor. Correct? So guys, what it does? What it does, guys? So let's see. So for given a string buffer, right? For given what? A string buffer, right? So for given a string buffer, right? I want to create, guys, suppose for given a string buffer, if I want to create what? An equivalent string object, string object. So what is the way further, guys? So what is the way, right? What is the way? For that guy, okay, for given string buffer, right? This is string buffer, right? For the given string buffer, if I want to create an equivalent string object, so what is the way for that? So guys, so guys, we can create one what? A string buffer object. Yes or no? And that string buffer object we can pass in our string object. Guys, yes or no? So how guys? See. So we can create a string buffer. We can create a string buffer object. String buffer SB buffer SB equals to new what? A string buffer, right? Right? Yes. And then guys, we can create one string object, string s equals to new string, and in that parameter we can pass our SB object. Guys, yes or no? Right? Then if we can write sys out, then it will print our string object. Right guys? That is our what? Third constructor. Right? Yes guys. So guys, same like we have what? Fourth constructor, right? Our fourth constructor, one difference is what? Instead of string buffer, we can use a string builder. Yes or no? Right? So guys, same thing we can write here also. Right? Only we can change our string buffer to a string builder. Right? Yes. So this place we can change a string builder. If I want to create equivalent string object, so what is the way for that? So guys, same thing. We create one string builder object, right? String builder object, and that string builder object we can pass in our string what? Constructor, right? No? Yes. So guys, that SB we can pass, right? Suppose this is S1. So guys, this is our fourth important constructor, right? Yes. So guys, see, all things I will explain with code. Don't worry. I'll explain all things with code with guys. Don't worry. Guys, then we have fifth constructor, right? So guys, that constructor expect character array guy. So guys, do you know what is character? So what is a string guy? So a string is a sequence of character, right? A string is a sequence of character. Yes or no? Sequence is a what? A string is a sequence of character. So guys, you know very well, right? So how we can pass character array in our string object? Right guys? So already you know this thing, right? This is our constructor, right? This is the fifth constructor. So what it does guys? Suppose if you will have character array guys. Suppose if you will have char array, right? Char array ch equals to what? Your character. Suppose A, then what? B, then C, then suppose if you have D character, right? Correct? Yes. No? So how we are going to pass this char object in our string constructor? That thing you can see here. So if you will create a string object, right? So string s equals to what? New string. In this constructor, if you can pass our ch character object, right? Okay, directly you can print, right? And then you can print what? Sys out, right? In sys out you can pass our what? String object. So guys, this is the way you can use what? This constructor, right? Guys, then next constructor, this is last constructor, we have what? It expect byte array guy. What? It expect byte array. Guys, same thing what we have done for character array, same thing also you can do what? Byte array as well. So guys, you know how you can do guys. So guys, you can see, suppose first you need to create byte array guy. So byte array b equals to what? In the array you need to pass what? Suppose 97, 98, 99, 9 and 100. Suppose you are going to pass this byte array, right? So guys, you know what is the range of byte array? This thing very basic. You need to understand it. You need to know, right? What is the range of byte? Guys, range of the byte, you know. Range of byte minus 128 to what? 127 plus 127. Guys, yes or no? Yes. So guys, I have written here 97. So guys, 97, you know, that is the Unicode value, right? It will print Unicode value of 97. So guys, Unicode value of 97, what you know? Unicode value of 97 is guy, you know, a small a guy. Yes or no? And for capital A, 65 is the value of capital A guy. Might be you know this thing. If you don't know, don't know what is guy. Okay. So guys, see, after creating this byte array guy, you can create one string object. Yes or no? Guy, yes or no? So in a string object, you can pass that our byte array object. Right? So guys, see, you can do in this way, right? So in this you can pass our what? Byte array object, and you can print our what? Print a statement, right? Yes. Yes or no? So guys, this is the complete what? Most important consider what we have in string class. So one by one I will explain, and I will what? So what is the respective output for all those consider again. Okay, please be concentrated. So I will jump in our IDE again. I will jump in our IDE. Guy, but from first to we have covered here only 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay, no problem guys. So I will explain this thing in our IDK, then you'll come to know. Okay, don't worry. So let's see. Now I will create one class. Okay, I will create one class. So guys, that class name is string constructor. Okay, string constructor. We will have one main method, right? Yes. Guys, see, I've created one class with string constructor, right? Yes. Guys, please be concentrated. It's very important. Okay, what I'm going to explain here. Right? So let's see. First consider, right? What is zero parameter consider, or what? No argument consider. Right? Yes. So let's see. If I am going to create a string s equal to new string, right? So guys, you can see here, this is the zero parameter constructor, right? This is the what? Zero parameter constructor or empty constructor, right? Also you can say this is a first constructor in our string class, that is what? Empty constructor, right? Empty what? A string object, right? In this constructor we don't have any what? parameter, no any argument. That means guys, create an empty string, right? So this constructor will create an empty string object in heap area guys. Why in heap area? Because we are going to create a string object with the help of new keyword. So already I explained very well in our last video. Great guys. So if you want to know, if you want to know this string object, right, is what? Its length is 0, right? In this constructor we don't have any argument, right? So if this string is what? Empty or not, right? So this constructor is empty or not. So how you will come to know, guys? This constructor is empty or not. So how you will check? Guys, very simple thing. You will check with our what? One method is there, length method, right? You can check with call the length method, guys. So how, guys? You can see here. So sys out, right? Sys out. So guys, we have one s object we have created, right? So s dot length method, guys. See length method, right? See. So if we can call length method, then suppose if this object contains any object here, no, right? Definitely the length should be 0, guys. Yes or no? So we'll run the application, we'll see. So it is 0 parameter considered or not? It is what? No argument considered or not? It is empty string object or not? Guys, yes or no? So guys, see in front of you, I will run the application, we'll see the result is coming expected or not. Guys, see 0 coming or not? So with what we understood, so guys, this is the empty what? String object. We don't have any what? Length for this. Yes or no? So guys, this is our first constructor. That is what? Empty constructor. Yes or no? Empty constructor, no parameter constructor or no argument constructor. So I hope you understood. Guys, second constructor, guys, that is what? String literal, right? So we can pass, right? You can see it. So we can pass some string literal, right? We can pass some string literal, then we can check what is the length of this respective string what we are going to pass in the constructor, right? Guys, see. So I can copy this one. Guys, see, very easy. It's very easy. Only you need to understand first, right? Guys, see. That is. Okay, also you can see, guys. See. If I am removing this thing, you can see here. So we have how many constructor in a string class, guys? So as of now, I have shown this constructor, right? A string, this one, guys. It's empty, right? We don't have any argument. Guys, see, now I am going to explain this constructor. A string original means this string constructor expect some argument. That is one argument, the type of a string only. Okay, yes or no? You can see how many constructor we have in our string class. How many constructor we have in our string class? Already I mentioned, guys, what is constructor? Constructor means it is a special type of method. So you can see, guys, this is a method, right? If you're going to see this bracket, so this belongs to method, right? So constructor is a special type of method, right? Which name is same name as a class name, right? The string. So all the constructor, that is overloaded constructor. So constructor also we have got overloaded, right? These all are overloaded constructor, right? So what? The name of the method is same but with different parameter. Yes or no? With different parameter with same name is called overloading concept, right? So guys, this is a constructor overloading. Yes or no? Guys, see, sometimes the interview may ask, do you know what is constructor overloading? so guys you don't confuse with same name but different parameter is called the overloading. But guys, in string class, right? So consider a special type of method which name as same name as class name. So string is a class, guy. Yes or no? So guys, you can see. So as of now, I am going to explain this one, string original, guy. So guys, see. So I am going to pass guy string literal, right? String literal means guy you are going to pass some object. Suppose Java mind, right? Java main. I am going to pass this object, right? This is literal guy. Guys, see. So guys, how you come to know this is the string literal guy? So definitely, if you will have some length of this object guy, then come to know okay, this is the literal, this is the object, right? So guys, same thing I am going to check with the help of this statement, right? Yes. So guys, s1, right? S1 dot length. Guys, you can see. Now I will run the application. Guys, this is the second constructor which expect a string literal as an argument. This constructor expect no argument. Yes or no? Empty. Guys, see. Now I will run the application in front of you. We'll see the result. Guys, see. So as of now, our length of this S1 object is 8 guy. That means definitely we are passing some literals. Good guy? That is guy second constructor guy. Guy, this is the second constructor. I can mention here what? This is second constructor. This is our first no, this is our first constructor and this is our second constructor. What? Okay. Now I am going to explain third constructor, right? Third constructor. What I will explain in our notepad, same thing I am going to explain in our code base as well. So guys, please be concentrated. It's very important guys. Sometimes interview may ask, what do you mean by a string constructor? How many constructors do you know in a string class? So that time you can what? Explain the things very well or confidently guys, if you know this thing. So guys, this is our third constructor, right? This is our third. What is third constructor guys? What is third constructor? So a string buffer, right? So we are going to pass a string buffer object in our string constructor, right? Yes or no? Guys, you can see here. So we can create a string buffer. So a string buffer is mutable, right? So how are we going to pass mutable or in our immutable, right? So SB equals to new what? A string buffer. In that I can pass in this I can pass what? Java, right? And this we can create one string object, and this string object we can pass our this SB object, and this time this is S2, and we can print our S2 object. Yes or no? It is very simple, right? So we can pass S2 dot what? Length. Then you can see what is the results coming in. What result is coming in? You can see coming 4. So Java length is up now 4 that is our third constructor guys. See, now we will have fourth constructor. We will copy and paste only we are going to change our class name, nothing else here. See that is our what? Builder only, right? This is our third constructor is string buffer, and guys, this fourth is one our string. Okay, I can change this one only. Right? String builder. Right? And guys, this time I can change our object name. We are going to check sc.length. Right? And guys, this time I can pass sb1. Right? And we need to pass sb1. And this time I can change java mind what. Okay, yes or no? I didn't change anything. Only I changed the name of the class. Instead of string buffer, I'm using here string builder, right? Because string builder, string buffer, both are mutable, right? So we are going to pass this mutable in our string, that is immutable. Yes or no? You can see the respective outputs coming expected or not. Guys, see it's coming expected. Yes or no? So this is our fourth constructor. So this constructor expect what? A string buffer object. Guys, one more time I will show this one guy. Guys, you can see here. So guys, see this one. A string builder, right? So this string expect a string builder object. This guy a string constructor expect a string buffer object. So guys, you can see here. So this string constructor, right? So line number 16 guy expect what? A string buffer object. Yes or no? So guys, that's why we have implemented in such a way, so by which you can understand very easily guys. So guys, same thing I have done here. What? A string builder as well. So a string constructor is expected a string builder object here. So guys, see now I will explain two more constructor which is most important, that is get byte array and char array. Yes or no? So guys, see, let's understand other constructor as well. SB1, this is our what? Okay, now I am going to explain fifth constructor, that is what you know byte array. What is byte array? That is fifth constructor. That is byte array. So already explained you guys. So first we need to get byte array object. So let's see byte array b equals to what? B equals to, so we'll get add again. So 97 comma 98 comma 99 comma what? 100. If I have created byte array, right? Yes. So let's see if I created byte array, then get a string considered. So the string class considered expect byte array as well. So guys, you know very well, right? We can create one string object, right? String what? S4 equals to new what? String. Yes or no? New string. Yes or no? Yes. Obviously yes. And guys, this string consider expect byte array reference. So we can pass here b. Yes or no? Then I can print our what? This S4 object. Right? Okay. I can pass here S4 object and we can print the result. So guys, you know what the result will print, guys? What is the expected output, guys? So the expected output, guys, A, B, C, D. Because Unicode value of 97 is A, 98 is B, 99 is C, and 100 is D. Okay, we'll run the application, we'll see the result. Guys, see A, B, C, D coming or not? Guys, tell me coming or not? So guys, this is our fifth constructor, which is mostly we are using in our Java application. That is how we are going to pass byte array in our string. Okay, guys. Then now our sixth important constructor is what? Char array. Guy. What? Char array constructor. Right? Char array constructor. Guy. Please be considered. Guy. So guys, same way I will create first char array. So you know very well how we will create char array. Guy. So char array, right? Ch equals to that is character. Guy. So what? J comma A comma V comma A. Okay, yes or no? That is our what? Char array, right? So the same way, so get char array means get what is a string? So sequence of character, right? So a string is what? Sequence of character, right? So a string is a sequence of character, guy. So guy, you know very well, right? So guy, same way we can create one string object, right? In this string object, we can pass our what? This character reference in our string constructor, right? Yes. 1 minute, guy. We can pass ch, right? Because this constructor, right, expect character array. Guy. How guy? I can show one more time. Don't worry, guy. So you should not have any confusion, guys. See, so this constructor expect character array. Guy. So character value. So guy, in ch we are going to hold this our character value. Yes or no? That's why guy, I am going to pass here ch. See, you should not have any confusion, guy. If I'm going to write the code in front of you, then you should not have any confusion. You should have 100% clarity. Okay, then you will not confusion, guy. So guys, see, then same thing I am going to print this statement, right? Okay, S5. So guys, can you tell me what is the expected output? What is the expected output, guy? So guy, expected output should be Java. What guy? Java. We'll see, guy, it's coming or not. Guys, see, coming Java, because a string is a sequence of character. Because we can pass here character, sequence of character. But when I'm passing this character all in our string constructor, it becomes a string. Right, guy? So guys, these all six most important what? Most important concept, most important constructor we have in our what? String class. This most six constructor generally we are going to use many places. Right, guy? Yes. So guys, this is complete what? Knowledge about our constructor about string class. Okay. A part of that, one most what? Important interview question. Most important interview question. Why character array is preferred over string for storing password in Java? What I've told, guys? I will write the question, guys. So guys, please concentrate. What is the question? Important question for it is important question for interview point of view. Okay, what is the question? Here, why char array preferred is preferred over a string for storing for storing the password guy. That is one important question. Important question for interview point of view. What? Why char array is preferred over a string for storing the password in Java? Okay, that thing you need to know the answer, guys. So let's see. I will explain with the code. Don't worry. Okay, guys, see. So because you know a string of it are immutable, you know, because a string of it are immutable in Java, right? So therefore, if password is stored as plain text, yes or no? If you are going to store the password as a plain text, it will be available, guys, in the memory, yes or no? It will be available in the memory, guys, until garbage collector clear it, yes or no? Until the garbage collector clear it. But guys, but a string of it are stored in SCP, guys, you know very well. String literals are stored in our SCP for which purpose, guys? For reusability, yes or no? If you're going to create the string object in SCP, so what it does? So it does reuse, right? We are not going to create the object if the object already exists in our SCP. Right, guys? So guys, in SCP, garbage collector is not what able to destroy the object, yes or no? So guys, which is security threat? Which is the security threat? That is the first reason, right? That is the first reason, because whatever the object you are going to create in SCP, so garbage collector is not able to destroy, right? So it can what? Security threat. This is the first reason, guy, right? Second reason, guy, you know what is second reason, guy? I will explain with the code. Guys, see. Suppose if you create what? One char array, char s6 equals to what? New char and you can pass here what? J A V and what? A, right? Yes. Great, guy. Any doubt? No, right? If you're going to create what? Character, right? Yes or no? If you're going to create one character object, right? Yes. Guys, see. After that, guys, suppose if you create one string object, right? In that we are going to pass our character object, right? Guys, see. A string this time you can pass ch1, okay, and guys, this is our s6, okay, equal to new string new what string, right? In this string constructor we can pass what? You can pass Suppose Java. Okay, we can pass suppose Java, right? And guy, I want to see what is the output for both the things. So character and a string. Yes or no? What is the expected output for both? If you're going to use character array, what is the output? If you're going to use the string of it, what is the output there? So let's see. First, I want to see here ch1 result, right? So that is ch1. So here, this is the character object, right? If I want to see what our please be concentrated. What will be the string output? Right? Okay, please be concentrated here. So I will run the application in front of you. You will see the result. Guy, you can see ch result means guy, this is the character result, right? So what is coming guy? C at the rate of 51. So guy, anybody can understood what character you created? No guy, right? But guy, you can see if you are going to create with the help of string literals, then guy, tell me what is the result is printing here in Java. So what question guy? Why char arrays preferred over a string for storing the password? Guy, you can see whatever the string you are going to pass, that thing directly you can see here Java as a output. But if you are going to use character array, can you see this JABA in a result guy? No guy. So guys, that's why the reason is we need to use character array. We need to prefer character array over the string for storing the password. We can do also a string array. If you're going to a string, also you can use manually or explicitly what? Encryption, decryption. With the help of encrypt, with the help of decrypt, also you can use a string object. We are using in our application. We are also using a string object, but we need to do the what? Encryption and decryption. Then this password will be not visible. But generally, if you are going to use character, so but internally it's converting what? In different what? Format. So nobody can understood what is the exact character what we have entered. Okay? So that is the most important interview question. So interview may ask, hey, why character arrays prefer our string object to store a password? So that's it from this video. Already I explained all the constructor how we are going to use in our application. So I hope you don't have any confusion. You should not have any confusion after watching this complete video game. After watching this complete explanation, right? What I have explained here, right? So guys, that's it from this video. If you like the video guys, please like, share, subscribe. For coming video, I will bring what all those important methods we have in our string class. What all those important method we have in string class, which is generally we are going to use in our application. But in this what discussion, so what all those constructor we have in our string class, I explain end to end with our explanation, with our example as well. Okay, and last I have discussed one important interview question as well. So why character array is more preferred over a string if you want to store the password? So that is the reason. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you like this video guys, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, so I will bring such type of content in coming video as well. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Meet very soon with new concept in next video. Take care. Bye bye.